Hello, Blake here. I just wanted to thank you so much for the overwhelming response that we have received from our family Christmas card. We do this thing every year. We love it. We have so much fun putting this thing together, but I think we enjoy the act of sharing it even more. And to receive all of the kind words that we've received from you and all of the Merry Christmases, we are truly blessed and we are truly thankful and grateful for you. So I've had several questions from people asking me how I created this card. Now, I kind of showed it, but I showed it in a 5-minute speed video from a 12-hour production, essentially. It took a very long time. So if I were to try and tell you how to do all of that stuff, it would be a very long tutorial because you know how much I can talk. So I'm not going to do that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to present you with the 12 tips of Christmas. And these are actionable things that you can do right now to make your composite work better and easier for you when you keep these things in mind. All of these things that I'm going to present to you are things that I weaved into this Christmas card in some way, shape, or form, and I want to share them with you over these next 12 days. So from December 13th through December 24th, every day I'll be updating the YouTube channel as well as the F64 Academy site. So come back to either one of them often and you'll receive these 12 tips of Christmas. Again, thank you so much for the overwhelming response. We really do appreciate it, and we hope you have a very Merry Christmas.